Hello students, welcome to Show of Ssc classes. So today we will be doing the part 2 of Ssc Cgl examination 2016 question paper. So let's see what we have in our this video. We have done the question number 1 and 2 in the previous video. So let's get started. So here we have asked about the price of a watch. So here is a condition, that is the watch was for 10% discount. A man bought that. Now the condition is, if he had bought it for 20% discount, he would have got the watch for 125 rupees less. So now we have to just find out the real value or the price of the watch. Now what we have given here, that is the 20% of that price. So if I'm just first let me write it, the marked price that we have to find out, price that is suppose X. So now the 20% of X and the 10% of the marked price, that is X. So now if we just subtract it from 20% minus 10%, we have told here that that is 125 rupees less. So that will be the 125. So 20% of the marked price minus 10% of the marked price is 125 rupees. So that we know from the question. So now if we just solve it, so if we just put it in first bracket, then I'd like to change my pen color. So here from 20% to 10% of marked price is 10% of X, that is marked price, right? Now that is equals to 125. So now from here we can do one thing, that X equals to 125 divided by 10%. And what does that mean? 125 into 100 divided by 10. So here this is X. Now X equals to what? If we just calculate it, we'll get 1250. That is the marked price of that watch, and we are asked here to find out this. So our answer will be option B, that is 1250. Now let's see what we have in our next question. Okay, so here we have the ratio, that is X is to YZ, Y that is in ratio with ZX, Z is to XY, and we have to find out the compound ratio of the inverse ratio. So first we have to find out the inverse ratio. So what we are given here, let's write it again, that is X YZ. This one is the first, second is Y is to ZX, third one is Z is to XY, and we are first doing the inverse ratio. So here the inverse ratio for this will be YZ is to X, for this ZX is to Y, for this XY is to Z. Now for easy we can do it like YZ by x, z x by y, and here xy by z. So this is our inverse ratio of this given ratio. Now we have to find out the compound ratio. So the compound ratio is here. So first one is yz by x, second one is zx by y, third one is xy by z, and we just have to multiply this to get the compound ratio. Now before solving it, there are many things to do, and this is lot easy. That is, we can do this y, and here z. So we can get x, y, z by 1, and from this we can write it like xyz to 1. So here in the option, let's see what we have. Okay, so the option B will be our answer, xyz is to 1. So thank you for watching this video.